Bye bye. So yesterday my 996 GT3 had a tire puncture, so we decided to transport that car back to Bangkok, and my kind friend decided to lend me his F430. This is my first time driving an F430, and I must say I am kind of blown away by how good this car is. I mean, firstly, one thing I noticed that I really like is these vents. The embossed prancing horse on these vents. If you have OCD like me, you want it to be upright. So every one of these vents upright. It's just a little toy you can play with while driving. But I'm just kidding. I want to talk about how well this car drives. And I think the thing that stands out the most to me is how good this engine is. There's the induction noise that you can hear coming from behind. I don't know if you can see, but when I look in the rear view, I see the engine with the intakes. And this car has like a bark to it when you put your foot down. It almost barks like one of those really aggressive four-cylinder engines, but in a good way. The induction note is just so good. But once you move up the rev range, the sound changes. You get all kinds of mechanical noise. This V8 just sings. Just listen to that. That's only 6,000 RPM. And the way you interact with this engine on the gas pedal, I must say, they're doing it right. This gas pedal, even when you're just halfway, you have so much power. And then you still have 50% more of travel. And the more you push it, the more it gives you. It's so satisfying. And the pedal travel is kind of long, but that just adds to the amount of driving pleasure that you get from interacting with this engine. Okay, sure, we all know Ferraris, they are well known. They are the best at making engines. But what about the way that this car drives? The chassis. I am so impressed with the handling capabilities and the driving feel of this car. It's definitely a fizzy car. Like, you feel vibrations coming through all the inputs. The steering wheel is super talkative. It's a bit light on center. It feels a bit light, but I think that's just because this car is old and it probably needs suspension overhaul. But despite that, this car handles so well. I can drive it with so much confidence. I know exactly where the limits are. As soon as I hopped into this car, within, I would say, the first kilometer of travel, maybe not even that, I knew I can push this car hard and feel totally safe. Even the brakes. A few friends who tried this car said the brakes are not that good, but that's before my friend changed the brake fluids on this car. After the change, so far in this trip, the brakes hasn't faded yet, and to me, the firmness, the travel, and the feel of these brakes are excellent. I have no complaints. This engine has so much torque, it's ridiculous. It just keeps on giving. I'm not even full throttle here. when you do give it full throttle, it sings all the way to redline. And the F1 gearbox, the gearbox that apparently no one likes, I think is actually, it adds character to the car. You have to master it. The way you shift, you kind of have to control the smoothness with your right foot. And if you work with it, it's actually kind of nice. I'm sure driving around town, this car will be a little bit annoying with this gearbox, but that's not what this car is made for, right? This car is made for the open Italian mountain roads. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of speechless. Apparently this car is really easy to kick its tail out as well. I believe that because it has so much torque in its mid-engine. Maybe I'll try that in a bit where it's less cars and tighter corners. But for now, man, this car is truly special. I must say, it's better than most Porsches that I've driven on these roads. This is really probably one of the best driving experiences. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much all I had to say for this video. But for the next few minutes, I just want to let the car do the rest of the talking. So I do hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. Bye.ใช่ผมไม่กล้าแซงเหมือนกันมันเป็นจุดที่มองไม่เห็นนะไม่ชอบแซงรถแต่ถ้าขับแบบอยู่คนเดียวมันสนุกมันเหมือนจุดวัดใจเลยมองไม่ออกหน้ารถติดคาแรคเตอร์ของรถมันเฟอร์รี่จะออกหน่อยนะอยู่ที่การขับนะครับผมตั้งใจให้มันออกนิดหน่อยใช่ เบรกเฟดนิดหน่อยรู้สึกแค่นิดหน่อยแต่ผมรู้สึกได้
โอเคว่าคนขับจะรู้อาการ
แกรมมาพักก่อน